And we have some news just coming in. Dissent within the Maha Vikas Aghadi is seen. Samajwadi Party has parted ways in the Maha Vikas Aghadi is to walk out of the Aghadi alliance. The decision is after Uddhav's aide sparked a controversy. Hailed Babri Mosque demolition. Samajwadi Party says there's no difference between the Maha Vikas Aghadi and the BJP, so why should we stay with them? Samajwadi Party walks out of the Maha Vikas Aghadi. It's a setback to the Maha Vikas Aghadi with the Samajwadi Party walking out of the alliance in the state of Maharashtra. There's dissent over a comment that has been made by Uddhav's aide over Babri Masjid. Maharashtra Samajwadi Party chief Abu Azmi has spoken about this, saying that we are quitting the Maha Vikas Aghadi. A big setback there for the Maha Vikas Aghadi with the Samajwadi Party walking out of the alliance. Things don't look good, Ritvik, for the Maha Vikas Aghadi in any case. And now this setback, as far as optics is concerned, it looks horrible, speaking volumes of the kind of disagreement and clash of ideologies within the Maha Vikas Aghadi as well, isn't it?
Rightly said, it is just the beginning of Maharashtra Assembly session, a special session being called out for the vote-taking ceremony of all the newly elected MLAs. But what we could see on the first day itself is that there's a rift between MV Alliance and Samajwadi Party. Both the MLAs, be it Abu Azmi or Rais Sheikh, both took the oath despite opposition together. Opposing the fact, and they were protesting against the misuse of EVM, and they also boycotted the vote-taking ceremony today in the Assembly's first day of session. However, Rais Sheikh was very much confident, saying that they are not going to follow what MV Alliance is saying, because he believes that there was no malpractices and there's no misuse of EVM as long as his constituency is confirmed. And what he has said is that they are also not being very part of MV Alliance anymore, because close aide of Uddhav Thackeray and personal assistant and also now MLC in Legislative Council, Milind Narvekar, had posted on X that he is proud of the fact that the people who had demolished Babri belong to us, is what Balasaheb Thackeray had said that time. So on this note, they want to quit MVA and they want to be a separate entity in Maharashtra Assembly.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Ritik Bhalekar getting in those details. As far as that setback for the Maha Vikas Aghadi is concerned, Samajwadi Party says we aren't in this anymore. We aren't together anymore.